Hi team. So this is our platform that we have created, and here on this particular platform any customer can come up, they can create their bot for the channels. Once they create bot, they'll start appearing up here. Okay, so here I'll going to walk through how exactly our integrations are working. So I have created one demo bot here. So first thing, user can create their chat flow. So here they can, if you'll see it here, they can configure their whole chat flow, that how a chat flow will work, etc. Once they have configured, then comes up the configuration part. So here, let's say for Google Calendar integration, first thing what they need to do it here, they need to integrate this thing. Okay, so here they can select, here they can do all the settings. So once they'll click on integrate with Google Calendar, here this one come up where they'll ask to sign in with Google. So once they sign in with Google, they can choose the account that they want to continue it with. Once they continue it here, they have to allow all these permissions. Once they complete the once they complete the OAuth flow, they'll get redirected here. Okay, here they can configure that how the link will be created. So they can map that how whole time and etc will be taken care of. Okay, so similarly they can put it here and click it save. They can also manage the name, etc, description, etc from here. Apart from this integration, okay, they can also do the Google Sheet integration. So Google Sheet integration is for if somebody wants to send the leads data to Google Sheet. So I'll create it here. Same process, we need to repeat the same process. So customer can have one or multiple integrations. So right now I have, let's say I have done the integration for Google Sheet as well. So here I'll bot penguin demo, and they can, here they can map all the questions and their answers. Okay, so I'll map it here at email. Then let's say I'll create it here name. So these sheets, these will be get created on the Google Sheet. Okay, phone, and then let's say that's it. Okay, save. Once it is saved, they can mark it as saved. Okay, similarly they can do the integration with two other apps as well. So let's say task it does the same thing, but the use case is different. So here if you'll see it, once I'll complete the Google OAuth integration, let it complete. So they'll get redirected here on this particular page. Here they can select the task list, under which task list they want to create the task. Then they can add what data they want to map it. Okay, so let's say I'm only mapping title here, and then let's say email, I'll map the email in the note section. Okay, and I'll mark it as saved. Okay, once it is saved, this integration will get activated. Another integration that they can do is contact. So when they do integration for Google Contacts, and any lead that comes up, that gets added as contact. Okay, so here let it open. Yeah. Okay, so here I'll map email with the email, I'll map name with name, and I'll add the phone number with phone. Okay, see. Okay, okay, now hence mapping has been done. Now let's do the test. Okay, so here is the bot. So this bot they can install. So whenever any bot is gets created, they get this script which they can integrate in their website. So let's say this is our website. I'll just use demo website, basically HTML runner, to run whole thing. Okay, so once they run it, their bot will appear up something like this. When they click it, the chat window opens up, and it start asking for questions. Okay, so let me do it the whole thing in Incognito to avoid any cache etc issues. Okay, so let me copy the script. Okay, so here let's the bot will open up. Let's say I'll give it a name, Ajay. Then I'll give it email, Ajay at Rollins, let's say botpenguin.com, botpenguin.com. And then I'll put up a mobile number here. Uh, and this basically opens up the calendar that when you want to book the appointment. So let's say I'll choose here 11:45 p.m. and I'll submit. So now it will create a whole thing. So this flow has been completed. So let me close this space, this one too, this tab as well. So all the data that we're capturing, that will appear up here under this. So here if you'll see all the data that has been captured. Now if I look into it, calendar etc. So as soon as somebody creates the event, completes the booking, so here it calendar events gets added. So this has been added, bot penguin appointment and all those things has been added here. Same thing if I'll open drive and I'll open the sheet. So bot penguin, uh, bot penguin. Let me find the sheet. Home recent. So here this sheet has been created named bot penguin demo. So here if you'll see the all the details that I entered there, that has been captured here, name, email, demo. Same goes if I'll open the tasks, because I did the integration of all four apps. So let me sign up here. So here if you'll see there I had created a task list. I chosen the task list where I was showing all the details. So let it open. Yeah, here, so this task has been created under 2 days plan. So this is the email, this is the name that I had mapped as title, and same thing we have done it for the last thing. The last integration that we have is basically uh, so there is another one that was uh, let me check what was the last integration. Mm, third party. Yes, Google Contacts, correct. So similarly, this particular lead would have gotten added in the contacts, Google Contacts. Okay. So Ajay at bot penguin. So here Ajay at botpenguin.com, botpenguin.com. Yeah, so this has gotten added here with the phone number etc. So if you'll see their last edited time, this is today right now, which is basically my time, which is showing as of now, and this has been gotten added here. So that is how our whole integration is working. So the overall idea is whenever any customer comes up, they interact with the chatbot, all the data that chatbot corrects, we are sending it to across Google products, these 3 4 Google products, which customers, if somebody is using Google G Suite, they do not need to come on our platform, they can seamlessly access all that data without going through much of a hassle. If they want to disconnect these integration, they can right away come up here, they can disconnect it anytime. So there is nothing that there is nothing difficult on that. Simply click on disconnect and that will get disconnected. Okay, so that's our overall integration. So if you have any concerns, just let me know. You can, I have given my number as well as my email. Please feel free to reach out. Thank you so much.